I feel like I'm saying it in every single video that I love this chorus. I can't. I can't. Stop being so fucking good. This is just a quick disclaimer to let you guys know that there are a lot of pausing during these reactions. I understand that a lot of people do not like when reactors pause and talk, and this is unfortunately perhaps not the video for you, so you have been warned. This is just my reaction style, and this is a quick warning. We won't be lonely at the top. Okay, and literally there's a diamond and the sound of a helicopter, which is very fitting, obviously, because the song is called Helicopter, obviously. That was awesome. Hola. Holy shit, you are gorgeous. This video is already freaking amazing. That intro was beautiful. And as far as I understand, this video was marked as their comeback. And that is very fitting of the lyrics. I like the fact that she says, I make hella noise at the takeoff. Like, we're back. We're going to make all of this noise. We're gonna blow the roof off this place as everybody just goes crazy for us. And we also saw a quick illustration of Da Vinci's anatomy piece, which is very, very popular. Holy shit. The editing here is so up my alley. Oh my god, that was beautiful. Like, literally equating painting and drawing, like, everything started off with a curiosity and then it evolved into something much greater than this. Like, she almost literally uncovers the universe. This visual almost represents the curiosity and the entire universe being unveiled, and then she wanted, I prefer, I'm so tempted to say that's what she said, but she wanted to reach new goals. That was awesome. So the fly and pioneer the chance beyond the map. Nobody's ever been. Now let me show you shining road. Like, they don't want the map. They want to go beyond. They want to go beyond the expectations because they knew that they can reach higher grounds. Essentially, they achieved many great things, but it wasn't enough for them because they knew that there was something greater out there for them outside of that map. So going above and beyond, essentially. Oh my god, up to the sky that I always wondered about. So it almost kind of represents like they saw all of these other groups that were doing all of these amazing things, and they always knew that they can be one of those groups, but all they can do is just look at them at one point in time, and then decided that, you know what, we can be up there with them. Therefore, the top is not as lonely as it may seem. That sky that they've been looking up to, it's almost like this metaphor for all of these other groups that served as inspiration to them to reach that higher ground as well. And I spit out at the turbulence that I've never felt before. The higher you go, also the turbulence perhaps represents, you know, the bumps in the road, like shade being thrown at you by haters and whatnot. This music video is beautiful. These girls are phenomenal, and the musical arrangement is so freaking awesome. Angel wings. Oh my god. That's amazing. Like, we don't only go on this helicopter, but we are essentially the pilots, and no matter what happens during our rise up to the top, because we feel that danger, much like the lyrics suggest, it's almost like we know that the road to being what we want to become is not an easy one, but we will never give up. Oh, again, I was born to be a flyer. I was born to reach the sky essentially, and that's why I will never give up. And going out of control, feeling all of these different obstacles and the things that I've never felt before because I've never tried to go that far before. This is absolutely freaking amazing. This is beautiful, and by saying like whatever may come, I'll figure it out. The rainstorm and whatever turbulence and the hard wind that comes towards me, like nothing will stop me. There ain't no star that cannot shine. Let's hang out at the top. Therefore, at the top, it is not so lonely, much like the beginning of the video suggested. And much like the star, we see that shining light, and as in between all of these members, we see those rays of light, which is absolutely beautiful, kind of very symbolic. I love this chorus. Is that shatter? It's almost as if like they shattered the glass ceiling, which is a metaphor to go and beyond, above and beyond where you were supposed to. Like you were born to achieve greatness, and by that glass shattering, and then there was like this really quick montage of all of the members and the slide going through them, almost as if they're being scanned or something, which is really really cool. And then that glass shatters, so they broke that glass ceiling and they went up. This is beautiful, and the fact that like the lyrics really suggest the fact that no matter what happens, we will never give up. Really, truly, kind of trying to be confident and inspirational and tell your story of where you came from and the fact that you got to a point where many people could have been very confident, very comfortable rather at that point, but they wanted to risk it all. The turbulence, the wind, the rainstorm, they wanted to risk it all to get up and reach that star and reach that above the sky and beautiful. Oh. Oh, I love the switch up in the musical arrangement. I want to take it back because we saw like a very quick shot of fire, so it's almost like the engine blew up or something, which is also very interesting. Like risking it all to get to the top, maybe. I love the song. Oh, and I love the cheers in the background. Oh, you can drive me anywhere. Fly me, rather, anywhere. Holy shit, that was beautiful. I feel like I'm saying it in every single video that I love this chorus. I can't. I can't. Stop being so fucking good. That was amazing. I'm absolutely blown away. The dancing, the choreography was fantastic, and their voices and their rapping. Oh my god, the rapping was so good. And I love the switch up at that last chorus. Let me know what you guys thought of this reaction. And if you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out the Patreon if you want to support this channel. And I will catch you all in the next one. See ya.